Hi there, in this video what we're going to do is take a product that we've already got in our WooCommerce store and clone it so that we've got a template for additional products rather than having to start it from scratch if you want a particular layout for a product page. So if we have a look at my site, I've got 3 products that I sell. And that is a microphone, lavalier microphone, an extension lead, and then a kit that's got a selection of items in it. So if I wanted to add another product and I wanted the layout to be the same for the product page, first of all, if we go to a product page, so if I wanted that exact layout and I didn't want to type it all out again and I wanted to make sure it was exactly the same, then what we do is we come over to our dashboard, come down to products, and there's actually 3 ways to do it. So the first way, if I duplicate my microphone, is to select duplicate. And there we can see this has saved a draft, the same title as a copy. So we'd want to edit the title and the permalink. If we come back to our products now, we can see we've got our draft at the top. And if we preview that just to check it has done the same thing, there we can see it's exactly the same layout, the images are the same, everything. So that's the original one, and that's our preview of the draft that we've got. So that's there, all done, ready for us to edit as we see fit. And there is another way, which if we go into edit the microphone, here we can see copy to a new draft, and we go back to our products. You see we've got 2 drafts now. There's our original one down there. Now I did say that there was a third way. There was a clone on one of my other sites that I haven't got on this one. Here where we've got the option to duplicate, there was an option to clone, so maybe that was a plugin, I'm not sure. But these 2 ways that I've shown do the job that I want. If I find out a bit more about the clone option, I'll come back and let you know. So I'm back, and the reason we haven't got the clone option is because I'm using Thrive Themes as the WordPress theme, and it's got some special features that integrate with WooCommerce. So if you see here, we've got duplicate at the bottom as we did previously, but here we've got we can edit with Thrive Architect the product itself, and we can also clone. So if I hit clone here, there we go, it tells me I'm using Thrive Architect, and this is the clone of Zoom. And so I can go in and change everything as before, but I'll have the layout and all the setup that I wanted there. And if I come back to products now, there you can see I've got the clone of Zoom. What I'm noticing here is that the clone has actually produced the copy and it's published, whereas where we did it before, it was just saved as a draft. So that's 3 ways of doing it depending on your theme. So I'm going to have a go at all of those and see if there's any advantages to or disadvantages to either way. But for what I wanted, any of those will be a good way rather than starting to create a project from scratch. So hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.